Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Messi.
Oh, it's nice to meet you. Okay, so Messi, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, great. And how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, are you ready for your speaking test?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so let's go to the first one. Okay, what can you see on the picture? Okay, we have computer. We have
Ball.
board. Okay, we have.
Desk.
Okay, so where is the apple? Point the apple. It's
here.
It's here. Very good. Where is the school bag?
It's here.
Very good. Now, which is the computer?
It's here.
Wow, very good. How about the school bag? Which is the school bag?
It's here.
Very good. How about the board? Where
It's
is the
here.
board? Very good. Okay, so let's go to the next speaking activity. Okay, so here we have
Chairs.
okay, chair,
Desk.
desk,
Books.
books,
Ball.
board,
Box.
box, box, box,
Bus.
box.
Bus.
And then, what is that one?
Bin.
Bin, okay. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
What is this object?
Ruler.
It's a ruler.
It's
Very
a
good.
ruler.
Okay, it's a ruler. Okay, I will put the ruler here. Now, what can you say about the ruler?
The ruler is under the desk.
Good job. Very good. Okay, what is this?
It's a board.
It's a board. Okay, what is the color of the board?
The board is white.
The board is white. Okay, can you put the board? Okay, can you put the board on the table? Wow, very good. Good job. Okay, how about this one?
It's a ruler. It's a rubber.
It's a rubber. Okay, so what's the color of the rubber?
The rubber is red and blue.
Okay, red
And blue.
and blue. Okay, I'd like you to put the rubber in the box. Put the rubber in the box. In. Okay. Very good. Okay. How about this one? What is this object?
It's a pen.
It's a pen. Okay. What is the color of the pen?
The pen is purple.
Okay. Purple. Now, I'd like you to put the pen under the board. Okay, what is the sentence?
Yes.
The pen
The pen is under the board.
Wow, very good. Okay, last one. Okay. What is this?
It's a pencil case.
It's a pencil case. Very good. Okay, I will put the pencil case here.
The pencil case.
The pencil case
Is on.
Okay, let's repeat that. The
pencil case.
case case.
Case
Okay, let's repeat that.
is
The
The pencil
Case.
case
Okay, let's repeat that. The
pencil case is on the desk.
Wow, very good. Good job. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so for the next activity, you are going to Okay, for the next activity, look at the board. You are going to read the conversation. Okay, you're going to read the conversation.
Oh no, where's
Oh,
my...
wait a minute. Are you ready?
Hey.
Make your voice louder, please. Okay, go.
Oh no, where's my pencil? It's here. And where's my book? It's here. Joe, look. Oh, thank you, Beth.
Wow, great job. Very good.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.